Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHEK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider that the price started off on the day down around here and then ultimately closed up there, any rational person can say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very nice move on the day. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at $4.40. Why is $4.40 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 440. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that big old range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say there's a pretty deep pullback, not saying this will happen, but just for example's sake, comes down here, behaves like that, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have this big base of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps showing progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game, showing progress. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying, quote unquote, showing progress as maintaining up above at least $4.40. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those because in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance right now, not the big priority. Top priority right now is all about going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built over longer periods of time, that's how overall long-term uptrends are constructed. So let's see what happens with it. But yeah, no doubt about it. Nice move today. Let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.